Hi there, this is Andy from Skilz4umedia, bringing the latest reviews, tutorials and creative experience online. And today I'm going to be teaching you some new origami skills. So make sure you like the video, share the content and subscribe to our channel. Let's give it a go. Why hello everybody and welcome back to Skilz4umedia. And today we're going to be making an origami goose. How cool is that? So first of all we're going to start off with our usual square piece of paper. So we've got our 20 centimeter by 20 centimeter paper, which I've made out of A4. So first of all what we're going to do is we're just going to fold the piece of paper over and make a nice clean fold. That was easy. Okay, so I'm going to repeat the same thing, folding back the other way, finding the point, pushing down nice and firmly, so we have clean fold. Okay, so now we're going to make my kite shape. I fold it over towards the middle, just like that, finding the middle, pushing down firmly, taking extra curve to find the point. Repeat the same thing on the opposite side. Good job. Okay, so I open that back up and I repeat the kite shape again, finding the middle, pushing down nice and firmly, trying to find the point to make it all nice and sharp, and repeating at the top on the opposite sides, finding the middle and getting a nice clean fold. So far so good. Excellent stuff. Okay, so from here, I'm just going to push this over to make our diamond shape. Same thing on the opposite side. Perfect. Okay, so I'm just going to fold it over, just like that. And looking good so far. Okay, so from here, I'm just going to fold this back on itself, just like that. Repeat on the other side, trying to match exactly the same. Okay, so from there, what we're going to do is we're just going to do the neck part, just like that. And now we're going to fold it inside, opening it up, pushing the neck inside. See, it's kind of looking quite Turkish, if that's a word. Then I'm going to fold it back on itself, just like that. And I'm going to tuck that in the inside. Perfect. I'm just going to improve this beak by, well, I'm just going to do a turn around this way because it's probably a little bit easier for me. I'm going to fold it back on itself, and then I'm going to fold it back on itself again. Just like that. And now I need to tuck that on the inside. I open it up, tuck it in, just like that. Looking good so far. I'm just going to sort out the tail part. So I'll fold it in, tuck it in. It kind of looks a little bit of a weird turkey, does it? What I'm going to do is just going to hide some of this tail here. Okay, so what I've done there, just hide it a little bit better. So tuck it in again, and then just put the tail up again. There we go. Looks pretty cool, doesn't it? So far. Hopefully your shape looks something along those lines. Folding it back. There's our general turkey shape. I'm just going to improve the feet here. So as you can see, I've just turned it around that direction. So creating the feet here. Just need to tuck that there, turn it over and repeat. So there's our completed duck stroke turkey. So obviously our origami turkey, duck, goose would not be the same without having an eye on it. So what I'm going to do is I've got one of these googly eyes you can buy from any hobbycraft kind of shop or craft shop. Just put a little bit of glue on the end there, just like that, and just stick it to our birds, and there you go. There is our completed goose stroke. It kind of looks a bit like a turkey, doesn't it, really? So hey, anyway, really good job. Thank you very much for watching. Please make sure that you subscribe to the channel, and thank you for joining us on Skills4umedia, and I'll see you soon.